In this video, I'll show you how to lock the rear and the front wheels of your Uppababy Cruz V2. If you look closely on the back of the stroller, there is a green pedal and also a red pedal. Both of these controls the brakes on the rear wheels. If you press on the red one, both of the wheels will be locked and the stroller won't be able to run. To unlock the rear wheels, you need to press on the green pedal and both of the wheels will be able to spin. One of the most common errors is to lock the wheels with the red pedal and then push the red pedal up. This will unlock just the right side rear wheel and not the left side. To fully unlock both, you absolutely need to press on the green pedal. Each front wheel has a gray button on the top with a green color beside. When the color is green, it means that the wheel can spin freely, like this. When you press on the green button, the green color indicator disappears and the wheel will be able to spin until it reaches this position. Then it will get locked in place. To unlock the wheel, just press on the gray button until you see the green indicator and then it will be able to spin. Same thing on the other side. You press once, the wheel will be able to spin until it reaches this point. Then it's locked. It doesn't move. Press again and you'll be able to unlock it. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial was useful. If so, please leave a comment down below, leave a like to this video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.